I think the benefit of studying mechanical engineering at a STEM-based school is the fact that there's so many other people to learn from. I'm very interested in the aerospace field, but I have a lot of friends who do bio and chemistry, and they really made me think more about working on arthritis aids and other assistive devices, which I wouldn't have thought if it was just purely mechanical engineering. I've had the opportunity to learn from a lot of my peers where, while I might be more technical and more hands-on, they might be more involved with simulations or other parts of the math that I've never even thought of before. Working with them and getting to hear their perspectives where I'm like, I never even thought of approaching this problem that way. It really does make you think about things in a different way. Mechanical engineering is a little bit of everything. You don't just learn pure mechanics. You learn a little bit of design, a little bit of electronics, even some civil engineering, which really makes the major well-rounded, where it's not just you're studying mechanical engineering to be a mechanical engineer. You can be a design engineer, a quality engineer, production, process, packaging. There's really limitless options for you after graduation, which is something I really appreciate about it. There's a lot of great opportunities to learn skills that will not only diversify your resume, but kind of set you off to be thinking in a different way because you have all those machining experiences. I'm very grateful to say that Falcon Engineering, the company I interned at for the past 2 summers, have extended a Design Engineering 1 offer to me. So I'm very excited to be working there in the upcoming year in the space department. I also truly have a passion for R&D and just the idea of taking something that's never been made before and doing all the research and calculations to try and bring it to reality. You're gonna learn so much in such a short amount of time, and it's really gonna shape you into the person you wanna be as long as you put the work in. Get your hands dirty. Come to the makerspace. There's a lot of really cool and great machines to learn. Every day, I enjoy going to work just because I get to learn something new. So as long as I'm in a field that's challenging and innovative and I can learn something new every day, that would be wonderful. NJIT makes aerospace engineers.